Welcome to camelbacktrading.org. This is the review of June 30th, 2026. Using our new proprietary Camelback market profile for Tradeovate, let's review Tuesday's price action and look at what is ahead for the next session. If you want the complete written report, the full strategic plan for the next session, and all the specific key levels we are tracking, make sure to head over to our Substack publication right now to get the full plan. Also, become a member to get access to our proprietary market profile, now that we have a dedicated version for Tradeovate, along with our usual TradingView version. You will also get access to other tools like the MGI scorecard and access to period-by-period MGI data throughout the day. The bulls took the lead by opening and starting to gain acceptance above yesterday's value area high. They have been one-time framing all day. Both indices took out their respective daily balance highs, placing the daily structure to up and closing their day gaps from June 22nd. Both held their trend characteristics and finished the day with double distributions. As a structural nuance, NQ is also carrying over an afternoon pullback at J's low. With all that on the table, the final scores are 7-0 bulls on both indices. The monthly is up, the weekly is in balance, and the daily is now back to up. Just keep in mind that the weekly balance high on both happens to be the all-time high. Looking ahead to tomorrow's plan, the bulls clearly have the path of least resistance. In general, buyers will need to get acceptance above today's high since today's value area high sits right at the high of day. However, they can take it with ease as long as they can hold price above the lower end of the upper distribution. In NQ's case, the bulls can also lean on that afternoon pullback for support. Buyers have some targets for both indices that they can tackle before reaching the all-time highs, and NQ also has a Globex all-time high to target. On the flip side, the bears have one sole objective: break today's low of day to place the daily structure back into a balance. To do that, they will need to work on getting price accepted below today's value area low first. Sellers absolutely should not allow price to break out above the upper end of the lower distribution, as that is their definitive line in the sand. As we head into the next session, the structural mechanics heavily favor the buyers, but context is everything. Watch how price treats those distribution boundaries early on, so let the market profile and the MGI guide your setups. Don't start with a bias, let the data guide you. Remember, if you are going to buy an account with Tradeify, use code CB2724 and help us donate to St. Jude's Hospital 20% this time. Be safe and trade well.